If you want to speak Japanese more naturally, you must know this conjunction. Stay with me for a few minutes and you will learn how to link your sentences naturally, so you stop sounding like textbooks and start sounding like a real speaker. Let's get into it. First, let's start with the idea of but in Japanese. In English, we usually just say but. In Japanese, we often use demo or kedo. Demo usually appears at the beginning of the new sentence. Kedo usually appears at the end of clause or sentence and connect it more smoothly to what comes next. Listen to this example. Ikitai desu, demo jikan ga arimasen. I want to go, but I don't have time. Here, demo begins new sentence. Now listen with kedo. Ikitai desu kedo, jikan ga arimasen. I want to go, but I don't have time. The meaning is the same, but the version sound more connected and more natural in conversation. So you can think like this. With demo, you have two spare sentences. With kedo, you attach the idea of but directly to the first sentence. Next, let's talk about the idea of because in Japanese. The two common conjunctions are kara and nude. Both can mean because, but there's small nuance. Kara is a bit more casual and direct. Nude sound a little softer and often more polite. The idea is very simple. First, you say the reason, then you add kara or nude, then you say the result. For example, ame ga futteiru kara ikimasen. Because it's raining, I don't go. Now with nude, ame ga futteiru nude ikimasen. Because it's raining, I don't go. The meaning is still the same, but node feels a little softer and more polite. Now let's look at so or therefore in Japanese. We often use dakara at the beginning of the sentence that shows the result. You can think like this. First, you say the reason, then you start the next sentence with dakara, and then you say the result. For example, Kyou wa ame desu. Dakara ie ni imasu. It's raining today, so I stay at home. Next, let's talk about and or and then in Japanese. Two useful conjunctions are sorekara and soshite. Both can be translated as and or and then, but we often use them to connect action in order. Sorekara has a stronger feeling of after that or then. Soshite is more natural like and or and then. Listen to this example. Asa gohan wo tabemashita. Sorekara shigoto ni ikimashita. I ate breakfast, then I went to work. And now with soshite. Asa gohan wo tabemashita. Soshite shigoto ni ikimashita. I ate breakfast and then I went to work. If you found this helpful, like this video, subscribe and tell me in the comment which conjunction is hardest for you. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.